DYNAFORCE sensors detect the smallest deformations in the material. That is why good bonding is absolutely essential for force transmission. All surfaces must be cleaned before bonding. To ensure high-quality bonding, we rely on high-performance products that are used in the automotive as well as in the aircraft construction industry. We pre-assemble them for our customers. Remove the silicone paper liner shortly before installation. Make sure that the adhesive is not damaged. In addition to the material thickness, a flat surface is important to ensure good adhesion and functionality. The maximum recommended material thicknesses vary depending on the material. The DYNAFORCE module must not be removed after installation in order to prevent damage. Air pockets that occur between the sensor and the surface material during bonding may prevent force transmission and thus reduce sensitivity.